I have chosen many different things in my life. I wanted to become an astronaut, a scientist, and also at some point of time wanted to become a loco driver when I was a kid. Anybody is free to choose any career path. I graduated from IIT. I became an airline pilot, competed in bodybuilding at the highest level, won medals and awards, and now I'm also a content creator. My day starts at around 9 a.m. I get up, have a cup of tea, and then my daily hustle starts. I have to shoot a vlog which goes up daily on my channel, and I also shoot content for my fitness channel, my gaming channel, hustle between food, workout, life, my daughter, my family, and many other things that goes around. Although there is a lot going on in my life on a daily basis, but I make sure I take out time for my workout and my fitness. How do you take out time with all this busy life? You make time and get freedom from laziness. Also on this Independence Day, as we celebrate freedom, I urge everyone to feel free to choose any career path and feel free to follow your dreams. Jai Hind.
Social media handles for more details and link you can find each up. Thank you so much.